12:31 p.m. Pacific Standard Time. The National Weather Service in San Francisco has issued a flash flood warning for northwestern Monterey County in central California until 1:30 p.m. Pacific Standard Time. At 12:31 p.m. Pacific Standard Time, Doppler radar indicated heavy rain across the warned area. Between 0.5 and 1 inch of rain has fallen. Additional rainfall amounts up to 0.5 inches are possible in the warned area. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard: flash flooding caused by heavy rain. Source: radar. Impact: flash flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses, as well as other poor drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include North Salinas, Bolsa Knolls, Santa Rita, Boronda, and Brundale. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most of flood deaths occur in vehicles. Be aware of your surroundings and do not drive on flooded roads. Please report observed flooding to local emergency services or law enforcement and request they pass this information to the National Weather Service when you can do so safely.
This is the coordinated monthly test of the emergency alert system. The equipment that can warn you of a life-threatening emergency is being tested. If this had been an actual emergency or a life-threatening condition, an official message would have followed the alert zone. This concludes this test of the emergency alert system.